welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisette. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm Base Box for the month of May 2020. I know I am a bit late with this unboxing, but yeah, let's get started. So I did try some of the products just to let you know. So I did see the products and have a little bit of review on it. So I'm gonna be telling you guys. Okay, so this is a box. One of the things that I didn't like of this month is that it did not include the little card, you know, with the theme and with the items that I receive and the price of those items. However, you could find it online, and I did found it, so I have it right here on my phone. I'll let you know. I will let you guys know, you know, the price of it and everything. All right, let's get started. Well, okay. The month of this box is Mother Nature, just the same as the premium. So the first thing I got here, which I did not like, it's a perfume called English Laundry No. 7. Okay, you can see here. It's one of those roll perfumes. Let me show you guys. I don't want to be too close to it because I'm gonna let you know what happened to me with this perfume. And well, it's not one of those roll, I thought, but no, never mind. It's one of the sprays, but I don't even want to smell it right now. Okay, first of all, I did open my box before showing you guys because it took a long time to get here. I wanted to see like what I received and everything really fast and try the product so I don't have to do a try on video with you guys. And when I opened this perfume, it spread everywhere because the cap of the perfume was kind of hard to take it out, and I guess I opened it, the whole thing by mistake, this thing, and it went everywhere. So half of the perfume got wasted. And the smell is something that I did not like. It's like a strong, kind of like, I don't know how to say it in English, repugnante, like a really bad scent that I don't like having it on me. And also, since it did spread on me when I opened it and it went everywhere, I did kind of had like a little allergic reaction to it. I got like a rash on my hands and stuff, and yeah, it was bad. I don't like this at all. Like this is the worst item I've ever received on all my Boxycharms. And I'm just gonna show you guys, well, tell you guys the price of this. $24. I will not pay $24 for this. And I don't like my boxes to have any perfume because I think that perfume is something personal that you need to go to the store and smell it and try it on for yourself and see if you like that. Not to like send it to people and then see maybe they like it. It's not like something like a makeup that you try and like, oh, maybe it works. Even if you don't like it, it might work. But perfume is just something so like very like, you know, I don't like it at all. Okay, moving on. Well, okay, another thing that I didn't like, oh, this box was not the best for me, I'm sorry. This is from Deborah Lippmann. It's one of those dual nail polishes, and it's a red and pink. This is the nail polish right here, and it kind of like, it seems like it's like bad, like it went bad. I don't know, look at it. You see, like it has like when the nail polish goes bad, like watery, I don't know, it's just bad. And then the red one, okay, first of all, I do not like receiving nail polishes because I do go to the salon for my nails to be done. I cannot do my nails on my own, even if I tried, which I have tried it, but I can't. I just can't. As you can see, I have my nails without anything. I'm waiting for the salon to open in my area so I could go and my nail lady does my nails. So this is a no for me. Plus the colors are not the best, and it looks like if it went bad, like the nail polish is bad. Anyways, the price of this is $20. Okay, next item. Okay, this is one of my choice items which I did like. It's from Hourglass highlighter. It's in the shade Vanish. No. It's a Vanish Flash highlighting stick from Hourglass, and then the shade is Rose Gold Flash. Well, the packaging is really nice. It's really luxurious packaging, like all the things from Hourglass. So you can see even the fingers can, the fingerprints, you can leave it in the packaging because it's one of those packagings that gets dirty easily, but it's really nice. It has like This is what it looks like. It's like a rose, like a pinkish tone. It's nice. I have it on me now, but you can't really tell, you know, so it's nothing like I'm impressed about it. It's not like a blinding highlight, you know. It's a nice packaging that you can use it to travel and on the go. Let me see the price of this. Where is it? Okay, it's $42. That's a really expensive. I don't think I will pay $42 honestly for this. I've had better highlights and I've tried better highlights, and even though the packaging is cute and it's very travel friendly, and I don't think it's like wow, it's not blinding. As you can see, like you can barely tell that I have highlight on. Yeah, next item. Okay, next items are 2 eyeshadow palettes, which I thought that was like too much. For a box to have 2 eyeshadow palettes is just too much. And I realized, well, I found out after that this is eyeshadow palettes that have been on previous boxes, which I started with Boxycharm for this year. Well, I'm sorry, last year 2019, and this was from I think 2018. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow palette, the first one I got. This is from Beauty Creations Cali Chic. It has a nice packaging. I like, you know, this detail, this picture image right here, and then this other color. It kind of reminds me of ColourPop. The shades, they're really nice shades. I did try it on. I did it between the other palette that I got in this one, and honestly, they're not pigmented. They're really like soft colors. You do have to build up the shades. You have to go in like a lot of times. Like the darkest shade right here, this one, which is called Laguna, it's not the darkest. Like honestly, it wouldn't like even go on my eyes, so I had to go with the brush various times and pack up the color, and still, you know, it didn't get that much color. So it's all right, I guess. Let me see the amount, the price of this. Where is it? Okay, it's $14.99. Okay, so to pay $14.99 for this, I'd rather pay for ColourPop, honestly. Next palette is from Crown Pro. Okay, let me open it. And the same thing happened with this eyeshadow palette. The colors were not pigmented. I have to work on it a lot. Okay, hold on. This is the colors. It's a really like big, they're really big shades. You know, the shades, they have a lot of product. However, they're not so pigmented, and I feel that both of them kind of like have the similar colors, those warm tones. So it was like not necessary to include both of these palettes. I would honestly have wanted something else to try, you know what I mean? Okay, you can see them both here. They both have matte shades. They have shimmers. They have shimmers, and then the shimmers, some of them are a bit metallic, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. Those are the products I got. Let me tell you really quick the price of the other eyeshadow palette. From Crown Pro 10 color Fuego collection is $39.99. Again, I wouldn't pay $40 for this eyeshadow palette either. So this box honestly was the worst I've ever received in Boxycharm, and I don't know what's going on. Maybe, you know, the whole situation of the COVID-19 and everybody kind of like doing the best they can, so I appreciate that. But honestly, I did not like my box at all. The highlight of the box, I would say, is the Hourglass highlighter, which I did like for the packaging. As I said, it's not a blinding highlighter, but you can work on it. Like, you can make it work. You know, maybe if I apply more, it would like show more. But that's it. That's all I received in my box. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of sum up this box. Oh, if you guys don't know, sorry, I didn't even say that. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, really quick, it's a beauty subscription box that has various memberships, and this one, the base box, is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty related products. Well, yes, beauty, makeup, hair care, nail care, perfumes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all this. and let you guys know the price of my box, because it's supposed to be worth $125, all the products together. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up this. So $42 for the Hourglass, $14.99 for the eyeshadow palette, $39.99 for the other eyeshadow palette, for the nail polish $20, and then for the perfume $24. So it's $140 with $98, the overall value of this box, which is not a bad box. I just had like a lot of products that I didn't like, and I would have preferred something else, especially that perfume. That was horrible. Maybe some people like that scent, but I'm just a person that's really allergic, especially to, you know, to like strong scents, and my skin is very sensitive, so I have to be careful with things I try. And yeah, it was a no-go. So this box for me was a no-no. But let me know what you guys received, if you guys like your box. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments that you want to let me know, please let me know below. Please subscribe, and yeah, see you guys next video. Bye.